to design BCD to XS3 code converter. Now to design a BCD to XS3 code converter, first upon we'll identify the truth table of the BCD to XS3 code. Then that truth table will implement to identify the Boolean expression. And then that Boolean expression will realize by using the different logic gates. 4-bit BCD values D0 to D3 we are going to consider. Now while converting a BCD number into XS3 code, we are going to use here the 4-digit BCD value. Because we know that when we are taking the value 10, the value 10 is represented in a BCD form is 0001 and 0000. This is the BCD number. Okay, this is the BCD number of a 10. Now when I want to represent the value 10 in the truth table, then I need to use the 5 bits. But I am not going to use the 5 bits, I am going to use a 4-bit BCD value. So till I will get the 4 digits. So let's take the 9. 9 in binary is 1248 1001. 4-digit binary value. Binary or the BCD value. So in our conversion technique, we are going to consider the values from 0 to 9 are the valid BCD values. After 10, all the values are going to consider as a don't care values. Whatever the input and output they are giving, we don't care about that. So while designing a truth table, we'll consider the BCD values from 0 to 9 only. After 9, we are not going to consider into the BCD to XS3 code conversion. So in my truth table, now the value 0 to 9 I am going to consider, that is to this point 1001. Now to convert 0000 for the 0 is when I am adding 3 into 0, it will be 3. So the value is 0011. Similarly, 1, when I will add 3 into 1, it will become as a 4. So 0100. 2 में 4 add करने के बाद it is a 6. So 0010 plus 3. 011 11 0 carry wheel 1 and 0. 2 plus 3 5. 0101. Similarly 011 when I will add 3 into this, it will become 6. So 110 carry wheel 1. Now how the 0011 plus 0011? 110 carry wheel 1. First perform addition of 110. Carry will be 1. Then 011. 001 and 0. 1 to 4, that is a 0110. Similarly for a 4 plus 3, that is a 70111. Then 101, that is a 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 0 0. Then after 100 1001. Now the variables will be D3, D2, then D1, D0. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. After 10 to 15, 10 to 15 we have to consider all our don't cares. Okay, input values. Now for E0, this is a K-map for E0. Now for E0, the values are 1 0 0 1, then 1 0 0 1, then 1 0. Till 10 now we are getting 1 0. Now after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, no BCD values are given here in the truth table. Means whatever input will be there, the output is don't care for that. Now consider all don't cares. Okay. Now after that, find out the function. Now here, if I will don't care as a 1 and if I will consider these don't cares as 1, then I make a octet here. These 4s and these 4s. This will be my one octet. And my expression for E0 will be, expression for this octet is, क्या हो जाएगा expression? The horizontal values will be lost, vertical values D1 will be again lost, this D1, 1 and 0, common value is a D0 bar. So the expression is D0 bar. This is a E0. Similarly, find out the expression for a E1, E2, E3. E1 have the expression D1 bar, D0 bar plus D1, D0, which is nothing but D1 XNOR D0. E2 D2 D1 bar D0 bar plus D2 bar D0 D1, and E3 is D3 plus D2 D0 plus D1.